best.
Hi everyone, my name is Ankit, and I believe many of you know me, but still we have new guests out here. I'm working with Ernst & Young, and I have done my BCom honors from Khalsa College, Delhi University, and I also be a MBA graduate from ICFAI Gurgaon. So, I believe a person is made up of his thoughts, and your thoughts is always through his experiences. So, I just want to share my experience of life. It's not something a proper, I would say, a background about me. It's just an experience that I have seen. I remember last time when Siddharth was talking about the nominations, about the speakers. So the moment he said about that first speaker, I said that, okay, I will be the first speaker, and as if I'm winning something. Then he said that who will be the second speaker, and Bharat raised his hand. And I was wondering, and so many thoughts was going through my mind that, oh, Bharat will be the second speaker, and I will be somewhere down the line, will be compared with Bharat. So, and I was just accepting the fact, and then the third hand was raised by Dinesh Mitra, and he will be the third speaker. And I was just wondering, and I was afraid to be a part of it. And then the another nomination was going for Educator of the Year. Rajiv here took that role, and I thought that probably offline I will take his role and swap it. The moment he will go further, continued with the nominations, and then the Siddharth finalized the nomination. The only one nomination was left, coach. So again, gracefully, Rajiv here raised his hand again and said that I will be the coach for the day again. So I was thinking that now it will be very unjustified to ask Rajiv to swap his role with me, especially when he is coaching someone too. So at that moment, what I was feeling, that I was feeling the fear to accepting the role. And the important point out here is that I was afraid. But despite the fact I was afraid, I had a courage to take that thing. And I believe everyone out here in life is afraid of doing something new. Whenever we come into a role, probably meeting a new person, probably going for an interview, probably asking a girl out for a date, you all are afraid. And we are. But important is that your courage is more, or is it your fear is more. The moment your courage gets more, you will succeed in your life. I'll share an instance experience with you. I'll share an experience of my life. There was this debate in my school going on, and the topic was whether the computers can replace teachers or not. And somehow the stopwatch was being managed by a computer with a projector. So what happened then when the debate was going on? So stopwatch was not working properly. Somehow it was with a virus, some sort of. Saurav remember it's because there was a school debate, and Saurav is my school made. So I remembered this thing. So stopwatch was not working. So when there was an interjection point of time, so I wanted to ask that girl, you're talking about replacing teachers by computers. A simple stopwatch is not working out here. So and you are replacing teachers by computer, then will be a stake of a career student of a career. So what to say that? I thought it's a very valid question. But I never asked that question because I had a fear in my life that probably I'll fumble. In front of 100 people, I won't be able to speak. I wanted to ask that, but I never did. And it has regretted me till today that I should have asked her at least. Another instance of my life is that I always fear in talking in front of people. I never asked doubts in class. I never did because I thought that probably people will make fun out of me. And there was this teacher in my school, not in my school, but in my coaching. I asked first account question in a very silly doubt, and people laughed actually. But my professor, what he did, he asked everyone, despite the fact it was a silly doubt, he said, nobody will laugh. I don't want anyone to take doubt to his home. And what has happened, what eventually has happened, I excelled in accounts. And I had never had doubts. In fact, I got very good in accounts, and that is the reason. The moment I felt that you should have more courage in your life, and this is a topic, let's feel the fear, and let's do it anyway. The moment you have more courage, you will have more power, you will succeed in your life. So that's what I want to say, that in life, in case any point you feel that you're low, your confidence is low, the only thing you should fake is confidence. Pretend that you have confidence, pretend that you can speak, pretend that you're not afraid. After a few point of time, you will feel that the pretend goes off, and that will help you to succeed in life. That's all from my side. Thank you.
for asking questions. So when I joined RBS, I also worked with RBS. So when I joined RBS, everybody started saying, "Oh, give your introduction." So I was not prepared. So I said, I also wanted to be an astronomer like my dad. So everybody, "Oh, your dad is an astronomer." I said, "No, he also wanted to be." So if you don't ask questions, you never know what exactly it is. So any questions? We'll take just 1 or 2 questions.
Try to make it simple.
Any questions about his speech? Sorry. I have one question, but I'll ask
I
you
don't
later.
have any question, but I just have something to say that this is one of the most sincerest pieces of speeches I ever heard from anyone, and you have everything that is needed to be a great speaker. So that's just as an observation I wanted to say. So, but yeah, Matisa, you can now launch your.
Yes.
I have just one statement, not a question. So, just by sharing your fear in this group, I recall this quote that two things unite men: it's fear and interest.
Yeah.
So believe me, I have same background, and I feel a bit connected to them.
Yes, now your question.
No, it's
I'm
not a
afraid of my
question.
PG. His questions can be anything.
It's not a question. It's a suggestion.
Basically, you can never prepare for his questions. So that's the best part of it.
No, it's just a suggestion. You said you wanted to ask that girl about that stopwatch. You never asked that, right? So why don't you ask now? But if she is not married, no use.
No use. No, it's still there's a use,